myself, then you come and fuck me. I feel so ordinary, still when you around me. Treat me like corduroy, wear me out. Arguments, you hurt me out. Tripping about your whereabouts, I can't keep no promise.
Hey babes, welcome back to my channel. So today I am back with another video. In today's video, we're going to get into this wig that I'm currently rocking. So today we're featuring 𝐲𝐻 Shout out to 𝐲𝐻 for sponsoring today's video. So let's get into this look. So today I have this reddish brown, silky straight, Glueless HD lace wig. She's 22 inches long, 180 density. She has a 6-inch parting space, super deep parting. So this wig does have an adjustable strap. They have adjustable straps, and there is an additional elastic band which helps you so that you can wear this as a glueless wig because it is very fitted. So this does have undetectable HD lace with a clean hairline. This wig comes to you with the knots pre-bleached and the hairline pre-plucked. I love the fact that you don't have to do any work for this wig install at all. I didn't have to do any additional plucking, and I did not have to bleach the knots. I absolutely love that. This lace is suitable for all skin tones because it's invisible and seamless. So it's basically undetectable, and I will show you what this looks like once the lace is cut or ready. It gives a flawless look. So because this is a HD lace, and because of how thin and seamless this lace is, it is definitely a better choice for protective styles. It's going to reduce friction on your natural hair. So if you want to see the way this came out, definitely stay tuned for the rest of the video. All the links will be down in the description box. If I have a discount code, that will be in the comment section. For the most part, I left this hair straight, silky straight, center part. I do show you how much parting space you get towards the side. Shout out to 𝐲𝐻 for sponsoring today's video. And shout out to y'all for watching today's video. And I will see you in the next one.
Just for me, babe.
wanna be in your lane. I can be real good. Please don't get in your feelings. Hey, I need some love. Hey, I need some love. Hey, I need some love. Hey, and you can't judge.
You don't really call on me like you should. Link up, I roll through the hood. Problems, but everything's all good, my love. Your nigga doesn't want smoke with me, nah, no way. Trust me, it's all okay. Trust me, it's all. You just need someone that's calm and patient. Submission, domination. Arch back, deep stroke, white wine, we smoke, that's my best combination. You just need some dick with no complications. You just need some. You just need some late night attention, unconditioned. All that you're missing, my babe.